my name is Emily Elizabeth, and this is Clifford, my big red dog.
Clifford needed Emily, so she chose him for her own. And her love made Clifford grow so big that the Howards had to leave their home. Clifford's the best friend anyone could know. He's the greatest dog ever, I really think so. Clifford's so loyal, he's there when you call. I love Clifford, the big red dog. So they packed up a family car, and the Howards left the city. They moved to Birdwell Island and found many new friends there to greet Clifford and Emily. Clifford's so much fun, he's a friend to us all. I love Clifford, the big red dog.
Woo!
Big-hearted T-Bone.
Huh? Oh, what? Where? Oh, Kiki, where'd you go? Huh?
Oh, Cleo, play games, Kiki.
Kiki, we played all day yesterday and most of last night.
Please. Kiki loves Song Cleo so much.
Oh, all right. But just for a little while. That's it. No more games, Kiki.
All right. We go to the park now.
Aunt Cleo wants to go to sleepy now. Please, can we nap?
No. Kiki wants to go to the park.
Kiki, if you take a nap, Cleo will take you anywhere you want to go.
Anywhere Kiki wants to go?
Anywhere. Ah, finally.
Hi, Cleo. Want to play?
Shh! You wait, Kiki.
Kiki?
My niece. She's visiting. Boy, does she have a lot of energy.
Gosh, she's very cute.
Yes, she's cute, but I'm pooped.
Hey, I've got an idea. Why don't I play with her today so you can get some rest?
Really? Would you?
Yeah.
I promised Kiki I'd take her wherever she wants to go today.
I can do that. It'll be fun.
Are you sure you want to do this?
Yes, of course I'm sure. We'll have a great time together.
Thanks, T. Now I can really get some sleep.
How much trouble can she be? I'll just sit here till she wakes up. Hi, Kiki. I'm T-Bone. Aunt Cleo said we could play together. But we have to be quiet, all right? Shh. Now, where would you like to go, Kiki?
Kiki wants to go to Big Tall House.
What big tall house?
Big Tall House with big red light.
Oh, you mean the lighthouse. All right, to the lighthouse it is.
Great catch, Clifford. Look, here comes the ferry. Clifford, it's your friend Mimi. Why don't you go and play with her? Charlie and I want to go over to the library to look for some new books to read. Kiki is at the top! Yay!
Kiki is at the top.
Wow! Big boat!
That's the ferry, Kiki. Ha ha! Come on. Just look through this and you can see everything. You can see the people. You can see the big ferry. You can see my friend Clifford. You can see... Mimi! Wow! Mimi's here! Oh boy! I can't wait to see her! I can't wait to see her! Oh no! I promised Cleo I'd play with Kiki, but I want to see Mimi! What am I going to do? Kiki, would you like to go? Huh? Where'd she go? Kiki? Kiki, wait! Whoa!
T-Bone is funny! Again, Uncle T-Bone!
No, Kiki. I've got a better idea. Let's go to the ferry.
No! Kiki wants to go to the beach!
Kiki, wait!
So, what do you feel like doing today, Mimi?
Oh, I don't know. Do you think maybe T-Bone and Cleo would like to play with us?
Of course, especially T-Bone.
Great!
Let's go and find them.
Oh, look at all the fishes! Oh!
Oh, don't worry, I've got you. Oh.
Uncle T-Bone has a fish hat!
Hey, I've got a good idea. Let's go and see Uncle T-Bone's friend Mimi at the ferry dock, okay? What do you think about that? Hey, Kiki?
No!
Huh?
Kiki wants to go to the playground!
Hey, you're bigger than she is. Just tell her you're taking her to see Mimi, and that's that. Yeah, I'm going to tell her. You promised to take Kiki wherever she wanted to go.
Kiki wants to go to the playground, Uncle T-Bone! Please!
A promise is a promise. All right, Kiki, to the playground.
Gosh, I thought that T-Bone would be at home. I wonder where he is.
Why don't we try Cleo's house? Maybe they're both over there.
Good idea.
Kiki's going to the playground! The playground! The playground!
Hang on, wait for me.
Fun!
We could have lots more fun playing at the ferry dock.
All right, but Kiki wants to play first!
Oh, Mimi! I wish I could come and see you. Listen, do you want to see Mimi or not? Because if you do, all you have to do is make Kiki go where you want to go. T-Bone, you know what the right thing to do is?
Kiki wants to slide!
All right, Kiki. Let's go on the slide.
Cleo?
Hello, Clifford. Baby, what are you doing here? Well, my human is here to take some pictures.
Have either of you seen T-Bone?
No, we thought maybe you know where he is.
He's been helping me out by playing with my niece Kiki.
She's so little, they couldn't have gone far.
You don't know Kiki.
Let's go and find them.
Watch, Uncle T-Bone! Watch! T-Bone.
Hi, Mimi. Huh? Where's Kiki?
Here I am, Uncle T-Bone. We've been looking all over for you, T-Bone.
I'm sorry, Mimi. I saw you down at the dock and I really wanted to come and see you. But I promised Kiki we'd do what she wanted and I had to keep my promise.
I understand, T-Bone. You kept your promise, even when it was really hard to keep. Kiki really likes Uncle T-Bone. You know something, Kiki? I really like Uncle T-Bone too. It's story time. You want to hear a Speckle story, don't you? I thought so. He's your favorite. Today's story is Speckle and the Valentines. It was almost Valentine's Day, so Speckle and his friends were making Valentine's gifts for each other. Speckle decided to make his from paper. With his scissors, he carefully cut out a heart, then framed it with pretty white lace. Darnell coloured his Valentine with lots of crayons, and Robbie used colourful water paints. Luna made hers from flowers, tying them together into heart-shaped bouquets. Reba's Valentine hearts were made from clay. The friends could hardly wait to share what they had created with each other. Each Valentine's gift was different, but they were all made with love, and that made them perfect. The end. That was a great story. Isn't reading fun?